Dear students, good morning everybody. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. God bless you, children. Today's moral verse: Our help is in the name of the Lord who made heaven and earth. Psalm 124:8. நம்முடைய சகாயம் வானத்தையும் பூமியையும் உண்டாக்கின கர்த்தருடைய நாமத்தில் உள்ளது. Let us do prayer, children. Our most gracious Father in heaven, we praise you. You gave a wonderful day today. Lord, thank you for everything. Bless my children, third A1 and A2. Give them wisdom and knowledge. Bless their parents. Lord, bless my school administrators, teachers, and other staffs. Bless my school children from LKG to 12th standard. Lord, help us to do all the works properly. This I pray in Jesus' name. Amen. Children, today we are going to learn English Unit 2. Already we finished the lesson and also we completed the exercise up to 77, isn't it? Page up to 77. Now we will continue page number 78, isn't it? Yes, all of you take page number 78. Now I will continue the class. Listen carefully, children. Listen carefully. Students, today we are going to learn Amazing Ammachi. Already we finished up to page number 98. Already I told wrongly, but page number 98. All of you take page number 98. We will continue the lesson Amazing Ammachi. So here a small story I want to tell you. Grandmother and the grandson were converse. Ammachi, could we make coconut burfi? Sabari asked. Please, he asked. Ha ha ha, only if you help me make it, replied Ammachi. So Sabari is a boy. He asked his grandmother, Ammachi, could we make coconut burfi? எனக்காக கோகனட் பர்ஃபி பண்ணி தரீங்களா? அதுக்கு அம்மாச்சி என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க? சிரிச்சிட்டு நீ ஹெல்ப் பண்ணால் நான் உனக்கு பர்ஃபி பண்ணி தரேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. யா said Sabari excitedly. Ready, shouted Sabari. Ready, said Ammachi after sitting on the seat tied to the pulley. We will only pick ripe coconuts, okay? The ones that are brown all over. Pull me up, up, up and up. Now watch out, here they come. Whoosh, thud. So here Sabari said excitedly, Ammachi, okay, we will do. அப்படின்னு சொன்ன உடனே அம்மாச்சி என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க? ஒரு சீட்டில் உட்காந்து புல் பண்ண சொல்கிறாங்க. அதாவது அந்த தென்னை மரத்துலேருந்து தேங்காய் எடுக்கிறதுக்காக அவங்க ஒரு ரோப் ஒன்று கட்டி அதுலேருந்து மேலே இவன் கீழே வந்து புல் பண்ணி இழுத்துக்கிட்டே இப்படி சுற்றிக்கிட்டே இருந்தோன்னா மேலே போவாங்க. இப்போ அந்த தேங்காய் பறிச்சிட்டு கீழே இறங்கிடுவாங்க. ஸோ ஹியர் we will only pick ripe coconut that is the ones that are brown all over. Pull me up, மேலே என்னை இழு. But it is very difficult, isn't it? Yes. Now, let us take the husk of crank. The liver of the machine rang. Grrr. The liverனா அந்த பிடிக்கிறோம் இல்லையா, பிடிச்சி இப்படி சுற்றுறோம்ல, அதுதான் லிவர் சொல்லுவாங்க. அந்த மெஷினில் இருக்கிற அந்த லிவரை பிடிச்சி அவன் இழுக்கணும். But this was Sabari's tummy, not the liver. And he made a sound, no? That sound was Sabari's tummy, not the liver. Ammachi giggled. Giggled means laughed. So அம்மாச்சி அதை பார்த்துட்டு என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க? சிரிக்கிறாங்க. So next page. Then we crack the shell with the cleaver like this. Katak. After that they break the coconut and grate the fruit. Grrr. Who made this? Sabari. Sabari only was helping to grandmother, isn't it? Yes. And also toss it into the pan with sugar and all the other things, said Amachi. What she did? டாஸ் பண்ணணும் அப்படி பேனில் வச்சு என்ன பண்ணணும் டாஸ் பண்ணி with sugar and all other things, said Amachi. It smells so good, Amachi said, Sabari. Then we pour it all out onto a tray. Let us wait for it to cool. அது சுட சுட அதை எடுத்து என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க ஒரு ட்ரேயில் கொட்டி அதை மேக் இட் கூல் ஆக்கி ஆஃப்டர் தேட் they will cut it. Okay, now cut it into neat little pieces. Yeah, our coconut burfi is ready to eat. Who said this? Sabari said this word. Yummy. Thank you, Amachi. He said thank you, Amachi. So here also what he did, he helped to his grandmother. So here also you have to help to your parents. Okay, to your parents. They will make any snacks items, isn't it? Yes. This is the story, children. And also I want to read again one more time. You keep your finger. Amachi, could we make coconut burfi? Sabari asked. Please, he asked. Ha ha ha, only if you help me make it, replied Amachi. Yeah, said Sabari excitedly. Ready, shouted Sabari. Ready, said Amachi after sitting on the seat tied to the pulley. And next paragraph, we will only pick ripe coconuts, okay, the ones that are brown all over. Pull me up, 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 and up. Now watch out, here they come. Whoosh, thud. Now let us take the husk off. Crank. The lever of the machine rang. Grrr. This was Sabari's tummy, not the liver. Amachi giggled. Then we cracked the shell with the cleaver like this, katak, and grate the fruit, grrr. Toss it into the pan with sugar and all the other things, said Amachi. It smells so good, Amachi said, Sabari. Then we pour it all out on the a tray. Let us wait for it to cool. Now cut it into neat little pieces. Yeah, our coconut burfi is ready to eat. Yum! Thank you so much, Amachi. So, this is the small story. I hope everyone enjoy this story. Isn't it, children? Yes. Now, we will go for an activity. Let us think and do. Match the pictures with the words. They given a pictures. You have to find out coconut, knife, tray. So, first picture is knife. Second picture is tray. Third picture is coconut. Then choose the correct word to complete the sentence. Choose the correct word to complete the sentence. Sabari asked his Amachi to prepare dash. Cake or barfi? Yes, barfi. It's a barfi. They picked dash coconut. They picked dash coconut. Tender coconut or ripe coconut? Ripe coconut, isn't it? Yes, tender coconut is so young. That is, அது வந்து எலசா இருக்கும். So ripe is good, correct method for making barfi. Third one is they pour the barfi all out onto a dash tray. Plate or tray? Tray. Tray is a right answer. So here one activity for you. Take an old cardboard box, cut the lid and make it a tube. Now cut 2 long strips of cardboard. Stick each of the strips on one end of the box and one on each side. Now cut 2 short strips of cardboard. Stick each of the strips on the other end of the box and on each side. Cut a small cardboard square. Stick it in the middle of the small strip. I used a dash to make this. What is this? Read the instruction one by one. Encourage the children to make a airplane. Airplane. This is aeroplane, isn't it? Yes. Now we will continue the page number 101. 101. It's a big picture. I hope everyone know very well because we are doing each lesson. Yes. Look at the picture clearly. Yes. Children are playing riding cycle, isn't it? So they asked 8 questions. Read the question, then find out the answer from the picture, isn't it? Yes. The first one, whose house is near the pond? Whose house is near the pond? So, Joey's house is near the pond. Then second one, whose house is far from the pond? Ravi's house, isn't it? Ravi's house is far from the pond. Third question, whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? Guna's bag is this. Isn't it? Guna only has a bag. Guna has a bag because he is going to school, no uniform. So whose bag is this? Guna's bag. Guna's bag is this. This is a Guna's bag. You can write, this is a Guna's bag. Whose bag is this? This is a Guna's bag. So fourth one, whose bat is this? Whose bat is this? Babu only has a bat. So this is a Babu's bat. Whose bat? Babu's bat? No. So you can write, this is a Babu's bat. Question number 5. Whose shirt is red in color? Whose shirt is red in color? Find out. Shiva. Whose shirt? Shiva's shirt is red in color. Whose cycle is bigger? Whose cycle is bigger? Gerald. Isn't it? Gerald's cycle is bigger. Gerald's cycle is bigger. Seventh one, whose cycle is smaller? Jiva. His name is Jiva. Jiva's. You put apostrophe S, children. Okay. You put apostrophe S. Jiva's cycle is smaller. Whose ball is this? Whose ball is this? Who has a ball? Anwar. Isn't it? Yes. Whose? Eighth question. But in video, we don't have eighth question. So, you will see in your term book, whose ball is this? Whose ball is this? This is a Anwar's ball. This is a Anwar's ball. Okay, I will give you the answer later for this picture, but you have to do assignment. Then We will continue the next page. I can do. I can do. Match the words with the pictures. Match the words with the pictures. So here already we saw tools. No. Yes. First one is they given a word spade, toolbox, drill, plier, spanner. So now we will find out. First one is spanner. First one is spanner. Second one is cutting plier. Plier, that is plier. Third one is spade. Third one is spade. Fourth picture is toolbox. Toolbox. Fifth one is drilling machine, that is drill. Are you understand, children? Yes. Do it fast. Good. Now next, number 2, circle the words with GE. GE. It is very easy. Gender, gem, badge, gentle. So GE words, 4 words they given. Gender, GENDER. GEM, gem. Badge, BADGE, badge. Gentle, GENTLE, gentle. Circle the words with GI. GI. Ginger. 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 So GI. Giraffe. 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 Next one is judge. No, that is not. Magic. 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 3 words. They given a 3 words here. Okay. Then fourth one, circle the word with DGE. DGE. Badge, edge, gist, gem, fridge. So here badge, DGE, edge, EDGE, edge. Last one, fridge, FRIDGE, fridge. Okay, children? Yes. Now, fifth one, listen and circle the words that your teacher says twice. Now, I am going to read the paragraph, then I will tell you which letters. Kant is feeling warm inside his home. He does not understand why it is so hot today. He steps out to buy some juice. It is hotter outside. Finally, he buys the juice and returns home. He opens the fridge to keep the juice. He sees that he already has juice at home. So this is the paragraph. Read the words. Warm, warm. You make a circle, warm. WARM, warm. Then already, already. ALREADY, already. Where is it? Find out at last line. Then finally, finally, FINN, so NALLY, FINALLY, finally. Did you put the circle? Yes. Then understand, understand. Yes, first line. Find out the word, make a circle. And last one, outside, outside. OUTSIDE, outside. Where is it? Outside. Second line, second line. Find out the word. It is hotter outside, no? So outside, make a circle. So these are the words you have to circle. Sixth one, answer your teacher and write it. What is the time? Already we learnt, no, in the previous class. What is the time? The time is, tell me. Look at your clock at home. Look at your clock at home. Yes, what is the time? Now the time is 7. 7 o'clock. Okay. Yes. The next page. Seventh one. Recite the poem The Little Doctor with intonation. That is, intonation means, already I told you, that is a sound only. Okay. Recite the poem fully. Then the little doctor. That topic is little doctor. Eighth one. Join the sentences using and. It's a very good grammar. Already I taught you. Isn't it? Yes. They given two sentence. What we have to do? We have to strike the again and again coming some words. So that you should that you strike the words. She likes to run. She likes to play. She likes to run. She likes to play. So here she likes to. That is coming again and again. So you have to strike out next second sentence. She likes to run and play. She likes to run and play. So I will give you in your test and also in your exam also I will give you, children, so you can read carefully. She likes to run and play. He eats mango. He eats pear. So how can you write? He eats mango and pear. And pear. Third one is I draw a car. I draw a bus. I draw car and bus. Chitra met her uncle. Chitra met her auntie. Chitra met her uncle and auntie. That's all. This is a easy, simple sentence. No need to say again and again. Chitra met her uncle, Chitra met her auntie, Chitra met her friends. No. Only you can say Chitra met her uncle and auntie. Then Amali can sing, Amali can dance. So Amali can sing and dance. Sing and dance. So here also they given a picture, last one exercise. Look at the picture and create a title for the story using and. You have to use the word and. So here lion, mouse. How can you write? The lion and the mouse. The lion and the mouse. Next one is the crane and the crab. The crane and the crab. Fourth one is the hare and the tortoise. The hare and the tortoise. Isn't it? Yes. So, first picture. You have to find out the picture, correct word. Now, how can you write? First one is hare and tortoise. Second one is lion and the mouse. Third one is the crane and crab. You can write yourself, children. Yes. Now we finished the lesson fully. Second lesson. Yes, we finished everything, isn't it? Okay. Now your duty is read, read, read. Isn't it? Okay. Friends, now we finished the lesson. Second lesson in English. So hereafter you have to read fully, then do all the exercise in your book. I taught you everything very clearly, so you have to do all the exercise. And also I will give you the notes in next class. Okay. Yes, I will give you the notes. You have to write in your classwork. Okay, children, in your classwork. I will give you the notes later. Today, you have to learn what I taught you. Okay, children. And also, I told you in your handwriting notebook, you have to write Two more pages. Two more pages. You continue the paragraph. If you finish, you will start the second lesson. Okay, this is only practice for your handwriting. You will get a beautiful handwriting. Okay, children, so that I am telling you, you can write two more pages. This is the assignment for you. You finish it. I will give you the notes later. Thank you, children. We will meet next class. Bye. God bless you all.